Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Here is the quick simple review of the office setup. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Timeless solid wood beauty unveil a legacy of style. Masterfully crafted from 100% genuine solid wood, each C, that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Engineered for flawless reliability, experience seamless elevation across 19.8 inch to 29.7. Our exclusive. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Intuitive foot pedal control eliminates straining or bending. The intelligently positioned foot pedal enables. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are better setup, daily comfort, and space saver. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it full content visible. Double tap to read brief content. My simple verdict. The office setup looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.